Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download whether DCP-T436W printer driver download and installations. So I give you step by step. Okay, so first open any browsers to click on the support. Open any browsers to type like that, and this is first URL. This is official or URL of brother sites. Okay, and then click on driver download. Then this is different OS also there, Windows, Mac, Linux and mobile also. So select the Windows and you can see different operating system also there. You can see the server 2025, 22, 19, 16, 10, 11, 64-bit, 32-bit both. So which is you required, installations process same. Click on OK. So there are many type to install and you can also change from the location OS. Okay, and languages also you can change if you need. So this is first easy step. This is cloudbet. This is full software pack, means driver and software included in this. If you need the software, so you can install this one. Okay, so if you need only printer driver and scanner driver, then this one. And this is a printer update tool. Okay, so just click on it, then click this is when you click to click on here, then after that it will start downloading. So it is start, and it 50 MB total size of this driver setup. Then it is completed. Just single click to open. So it is extracting. So if you don't mind, if you confuse, just click on locations, copy, minimize, then right click on desktop, paste. Then you have to double click, so automatically extract same locations. Then open this folder. Okay, and this is all the driver. Okay, so this is the main setup of 64-bit. You just click on run as administrator and then click to yes. Okay, and then close it. Now connect your printer to your system, your laptop and desktop via USB cable. Okay, then click to start, click on setting, then click on printer and Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner. Okay, and then click add device. Wait 5 seconds. After that it will come add new device manually. Then select the local printer network. Next, select the port. Firstly mode, probably it's default. Then next. Okay, then click on hard disk, have disk, and click browse. Okay, and this is your driver AI form. Then click on OK. After that, find out DCP-T436. This is 436W. Okay, then next, again click to next. If you want to change the name, so you can, otherwise click to next. Now this is installing, so it is installed. Then next, and if you want to test print, just click on it and then click on finish it. So you can see this is your printer, it's installed. Okay, and if you any issue when you installing, so check out the descriptions, the form, so team will contact you. Thank you.